Ever wondered what secrets your furry friend might be hiding? Welcome to a journey into the world of dogs, where we'll uncover intriguing and lesser-known facts about our pawed pals. Prepare to have your mind blown by these fascinating facts about dogs. Did you know your dog could be as smart as a toddler? Fascinating, isn't it? Studies have revealed that our furry friends possess a level of intelligence akin to a 2-year-old child. They are capable of understanding upwards of 150 words, solve simple problems, and even exhibit signs of emotional intelligence. That's right, your dog could actually feel jealousy. A study from the University of California, San Diego, suggests that dogs show signs of envy when their human companions interact with other animals. And their intelligence isn't just limited to the confines of your home. Take the stray dogs in Russia, for example. These smart canines have learned to navigate the complex Russian subway system, getting off at specific stops in search of food. So next time your dog does something clever, remember they might just be outsmarting you. Isn't it amazing to see how intelligent and adaptable our canine companions can be? Your dog's senses are more powerful than you might think. Just like how we humans possess an internal clock to track the passing of time, dogs too have a similar sense. They can anticipate their walk times and even your return from work with uncanny accuracy. Their perception of time is quite remarkable. Ever noticed how your dog wags its tail or perks up when you're happy? It's not just your actions they're responding to. Dogs can actually smell your feelings. They are equipped with an olfactory system that's so powerful, it can detect the subtle changes in your scent caused by different emotions. This means your dog can tell if you're anxious, fearful, or joyous, just by the scent you're emitting. Now let's talk about their hearing capabilities. All puppies are born deaf, but when they start to hear, their sense of hearing becomes 4 times stronger than that of humans. This is why your dog might react to a sound that you can't even hear. Additionally, just like our fingerprints, a dog's nose print is utterly unique. Each and every dog has a distinct pattern on their nose that could be used for identification, much like human fingerprints. Moving on from senses to health, did you know that petting a dog can actually be beneficial for your health? Studies have shown that the simple act of petting a dog can lower your blood pressure by up to 10%. That's right, your fluffy friend is a natural stress reliever. But their health benefits don't just stop at reducing stress. Dogs can be trained to detect diseases in humans. Their powerful sense of smell can pick up on the subtle changes in a person's scent caused by illnesses like cancer. In essence, your dog isn't just a furry friend who keeps you company. They're equipped with senses far superior to ours, making them capable of things beyond our comprehension. From sensing time and emotions to detecting diseases, our dogs do it all. So next time you look at your dog, remember this. Your dog isn't just a pet, it's a super-sensing health companion. From their first breath to their golden years, dogs' lives are filled with surprises. Let's delve into the fascinating journey of a dog's life, from being a puppy to reaching the ripe old age of a senior dog. Did you know that all puppies enter the world unable to hear? Yes, indeed. Every single puppy is born deaf. Their ear canals are closed, protecting their developing ears from potential harm. But don't worry, this doesn't last long. Within a fortnight or so, their ear canals open and they start to hear the world around them. But they don't just catch up to our hearing abilities, they surpass them. Dogs can hear 4 times better than us humans, picking up frequencies we can't even dream of hearing. Now, let's talk about Dalmatians. When you think of a Dalmatian, you probably picture a white dog speckled with black spots. But did you know that Dalmatian puppies are born completely white? Yes, those iconic spots aren't present at birth. Instead, they develop as the puppies grow, usually appearing within their first few weeks of life. So, if you ever see a spotless Dalmatian puppy, don't worry, their spots are just fashionably late to the party. Lastly, we can't talk about dogs aging without mentioning Bluey, the dog that lived to see an impressive 29 years. An Australian cattle dog, Bluey holds the record for the oldest dog ever recorded. Living on a farm, he worked with cattle and sheep for nearly 20 years before retiring. Now, while not all dogs can reach such a grand old age, they all age with the same dignity and grace, providing us with love and companionship in every stage of their lives. So, from birth to old age, dogs are full of surprises. Their lives are as varied and interesting as ours, filled with growth, change, and an endless capacity to surprise us. Whether they're just opening their ears to the world, growing their first spots, or celebrating yet another year, Our four-legged friends continue to astound us with their resilience and zest for life. Ever wondered why your dog behaves the way it does? Well, let's start with something that might seem a bit strange. When your dog is carefully choosing the perfect spot to do its business, it's not just being picky. Studies suggest that dogs prefer to poop in alignment with the Earth's magnetic field. Yes, you heard that right. Our four-legged friends have a natural compass guiding them even in their most private moments. But their behavior isn't just influenced by the world around them, it's also deeply connected to their bond with us, their human companions. For instance, have you ever noticed how your dog seems to be less anxious when surrounded by your scent? This is because dogs associate the smell of their owners with feelings of safety and comfort. So, if you're going out and leaving your dog behind, consider leaving a piece of clothing that you've worn recently. Your scent can help ease their separation anxiety, making them feel more secure even when you're not physically present. Moving on to a more dramatic example of canine behavior, let's take a trip back in time to the ill-fated Titanic. Amidst the chaos and tragedy, 3 dogs managed to survive the sinking ship. 2 Pomeranians and a Pekingese. Their survival wasn't just due to luck or their small size, but also their instinctive behaviors. Dogs have a remarkable ability to sense danger and react quickly, which likely played a part in their survival on that fateful night. From the unusual to the extraordinary, these behaviors reveal just how complex and fascinating our dog's world is. They're not just pets, but intelligent creatures with instincts and habits that often baffle us. But whether they're aligning themselves with magnetic fields or finding comfort in our scent, one thing is clear: there's always more to learn and appreciate about our canine companions. These behaviors show just how complex and fascinating our dog's world is. So there you have it. The world of dogs is more fascinating than you probably thought, from their unique intelligence, incredible senses, to their intriguing behaviors and aging process. Next time you look at your dog, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye. Thanks for watching.